Hey everybody, and welcome to the official rebranding of the channel as Hideaway Garage. So I've been doing a little bit of stuff on the channel for a while now under the Dave's DIY name, and it's kind of a generic name, right? When people want to search for content, Dave's DIY comes up with several different channels that already have plenty of subscribers and already have plenty of views. So I don't want to step on anybody's toes, and I also just want to differentiate myself and my personal brand, I guess you could say. So I've been thinking about the name change for a while, but I was having trouble coming up with something. Well, the place that I live, the house that my wife and I bought about a decade ago, she's called it our hideaway for quite a while. So that's kind of been like a playful name for us. And one day I was sitting around and I thought, oh, Hideaway Garage. What about that? And she kind of was like, oh, that'd be a good name. That kind of flows well. Well, it's the day after Christmas, 2025. And what does she get me as one of my gifts but a new Hideaway Garage sign for my shop? So, she kind of gave it to me and she was like, hey, I hope you like it. I hope you really like the name. And I said, well, I'm stuck with it now. And I do. I like the name. I love the sign. I think it's great. So yeah, we're going to officially stick with the Hideaway Garage name. And as far as the type of content that you can expect to see here, it's going to be a lot of the stuff that I've been doing, right? Working on bikes, doing upgrades, doing maintenance, working on my C10, other vehicle projects. I'm not really biased towards a brand or a type of upgrade. It's just over the years, I've found YouTube to be an amazing resource for helping me do stuff, right? Whether it's home projects, garage projects, whatever it might be. So this is me putting together content that I'm hoping I can sort of pass that forward or pay that forward, that people can learn from my content if they're trying to do a similar type of project. So I hope that you'll stick around to continue to watch the content that I put out. There's also going to be stuff like my ride videos, just because I think they're fun and neat. And if you think they're neat, go ahead and watch them. And if that's not really your thing, it's okay if you don't. But it's just going to be a bit of an eclectic mix. Anything that has to do with engines really is kind of the focus of my content here. So yeah, I hope you like the new branding. I hope it helps me get a little bit more visibility out there as my own unique sort of style. And so far, for those who've been watching the content that I put out, thanks. And I hope you enjoy the stuff that I come out with moving forward. So thanks again.